Hey guys, it's Marya back with another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows at home by myself. This is what they look like right now. They're actually not that bad, but I've always oh my god, my hair's a mess. I'm gonna put my hair back. But I've always enjoyed doing my own eyebrows, mostly because every time I go and get them like professionally done, they always do them way too thin. And once they did them like spread apart like that much, and it was just, I also should add, I went in the sun yesterday, so I'm a little sunburned. I'm just gonna show you how I do them. First thing I'm gonna do is pin this back because that's annoying me. I only have one bobby pin, so only one of them can go up. And I've chosen this side there. We can start now. My eyebrows are actually microbladed. I got them like a year ago. Low-key do regret it though, but I feel like now it's like faded enough where I actually like it. But like a year ago when I first got it, I'll insert a picture here. Yeah, it was like that for a few months. So, you know, I didn't want to leave the house. But I feel like now they're at a good place. First thing you're gonna need is a mirror. This one has a bunch of fingerprints on it, but we're just gonna ignore that. So there you are. I like using the magnified side so I can see all the little hairs, which there are a lot right now. Oh my god, my eyebrows are messy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have them magnified. So that's why I'm gonna be so close to you guys. Oof. Okay, then I use these little baby scissors, tweezer, and this thing. So let's begin. The first thing I do when I do my eyebrows is I cut them not that long ago. I always have to cut them because my eyebrow hairs get very, very long. So I'm just gonna do this at an angle where you could see what I'm doing and I could also see what I'm doing. Can you see? Yeah, okay. Oh my god, my skin, not that good right now. So I just kind of do that and then I cut them. It's really self-explanatory. I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow when I do this. And I don't cut them too short. I just cut like the extra hairs. You see how that's just really long? And I cut them like that. Go close to you. So then like here I have to cut because that's too long. That makes it so that it's more manageable and they're not all over the place. I always try to set aside time to do my own eyebrows because I always forget to do them until like I'm putting on makeup and I'm like, dang, I should really do my eyebrows. So it helps to like, oh my god, I'm just washed out. It helps to like do it down like that. You could see how it's like microbladed underneath. It's really fading, but I feel like it's faded enough. It looks more natural now. I've always enjoyed the more natural brow than like the very prominent, which is why I didn't really like when I microbladed them because they were just so strong. But I feel like it made me look like a baby with like drawn on eyebrows. So after that, I take tweezers. Oh my god, there's like a hair in this. And I just pluck, like I don't, because you could see that it's like drawn, like there's a shape to it. I only pluck the hairs that are like here and here. Like I'm sure I could wax them, but I look really weird right now because I'm red. I promise, I wore sunscreen. It's just the Florida sun, too strong. I just tweeze the hairs that are out of place. Oh my god, this tweezer sucks. This usually takes a while because the hairs don't want to get picked up. Oh my god, it doesn't. Okay, got it. Then I just go to town. Oh my god, it's washed out. Hold on, it's too bright. I think that's better. I don't want to go too far because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. These tweezers really suck. I recommend getting tweezers that actually work. Ow. That one kind of hurt. That hurt. It's a little bit of a painful process. I feel like once I get like started, it stops hurting, but like the first ones that I pluck hurt. Why does it keep washing me out? I'm sorry. I'm gonna maybe put this here so that I'm not too close to the camera so that it doesn't wash me out. Okay, these tweezers suck. Where are my good tweezers? Sometimes it helps to like comb them out a little bit. I feel like this process would be easier if I like just waxed, but I'm scared of wax. I'm scared that I'm gonna like accidentally wax my eyebrows off. So I avoid wax. So if you're someone that is skilled with wax, however, I would recommend just waxing. What is this? This is gonna take a while because you have to be very precise, and if you're like me, they're very grown out right now, so there's a lot of little baby hairs. And these tweezers don't work. Yeah, this isn't picking up anything. Let me find some good tweezers. I'm back. I found better tweezers. At least I hope they're better. But these are the ones I usually use. I had misplaced this for a while, so I was using like this to brush out my eyebrows, which actually I think this one works better because it allows you to get closer to the hairs. But I think I'm pretty good on that department. So back to tweezing. You just tweeze the hairs. Try not to over tweeze. Only tweeze the hairs that are like out of place, you know? Because you could tell like the shape of your eyebrow. So only tweeze the hairs that just don't go with that. Like a hair down here, you could tweeze that. And then I also tweeze the middle. Sometimes I forget the middle. I forget that's a thing. This one's much better. Do this to clean it out a little bit. I'm always scared that I'm gonna go too thin by accident, which I have done before. But it's just like all of these hairs. I think I did a little overboard, but that's fine because it's microbladed. So I do sometimes overdo it, but that's fine. It's just there were these hairs that were really bothering me. But that's it. That's all I do. And now I have to do the other one. I'll get back to you when the other one is done. Okay, I just finished both eyebrows. I'm trying to go as close as possible, but while I was in that mirror, I started picking at my blackheads. So kind of irritated my skin. Whenever I bring out that magnifying mirror, this always happens. But that's what my eyebrows look like now. I don't like them to be like super neat and clean, mostly because one, I don't have the patience. And two, I like them to be more like natural, I guess. I don't know, that's also why I do them myself. I don't like them being too perfect because I don't think eyebrows are supposed to be perfect. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter @MaryaPrada_. And yeah, peace, love, bye.